Open the image in any version of Photoshop. I use Photoshop CS 6 version. Crop the image. Go to Image tab and go to Adjustments and go to Curves. In Curves, take the leftmost slider to the right, that the dark gray areas becomes absolutely black, and then take the rightmost slider to the left, that the lighter gray areas becomes absolutely white. Again, go to the Image tab and increase the image size. Now, go to Channels and select RGB and click on Load Channels as selection icon. Now, go to Select tab and click on Inverse option. Go to Path and click on Make Work Path from selection icon. Now, go to Layer and click on Create New Fill Layer icon and click on Solid Color and select Color. Now, uncheck the visibility of the background layer and create a new layer by clicking this icon. Select the background color and press Ctrl+Delete button to apply the background layer color. Finally, your sign is digitalized. You can save this image as JPG or PNG format.